kind of dark. Morning, Billy.
Morning.
I gotta go to the shop this morning. Let me see if I can put you guys on the magnet there. There we go. I gotta go to the shop this morning and change the oil in this truck. And something tells me I'm gonna walk into the remains of a war zone. Because Billy and his buddies took their ARs over to the shop the other day, their Airsoft, and how many, Billy, see if I can turn this and get you in this camera at all. Maybe not, maybe if you lean over. It's weird recording on the phone. It's not like the GoPro where it has the wide view. Can I turn a little more? There, we kind of got you there. So, how many thousands of Airsoft BBs you think you guys went through? How many of you were playing?
4 of us. And we were using full auto the entire time.
Were you really?
Yeah. Oh, we were pelting each other. Billy got hit in the nose, and it went under my goggles and hit me in the eye. So, I'm pretty good. My eye doesn't hurt. I got a hole in that knuckle. Got spots all over my hands, this hand.
Nice. Were you wearing the gloves?
Yeah. Some of them, I was holding the gun like this, and they were just hitting the fingertips on my fingers. So,
well, I have a feeling. I don't know. We'll see what it looks like when I walk shop. Did you guys set up tires and all kinds of stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah, great. So, well, I'll move the tires and stuff, but as far as all the little BBs,
last time I just grabbed the backpack blower and I opened up the bay door and just blew out the entire shop.
No, well, that's probably what I'm gonna do. I'm not tripping all over the little BBs.
It's the easiest way to do it.
Yeah. So I'm gonna drop Billy off at the schoolhouse. I'm going over to the shop. I'll bring you guys back when we get there. We'll see what the shop looks like when I walk in there. But yeah, they went nuts inside there last night playing Airsoft. Whatever. As long as they had a good time, I don't really care. At least they're inside the shop shooting the hell out of each other and not out on the streets causing mischief. But on a good note, Billy, what's your science grade right now? Okay, Billy was failing science. Like it was, I think, like a 39 or something he had like 2 weeks ago. And I got in his ass about it. And although some people in our lives think that I baby him and I don't discipline him, but Billy and I see it differently, and his mother sees it differently. She's like, you're always screaming at that kid, and I'm like, well, you know, it's either that or beat the hell out of him. So, but anyway, so what's your science grade right now, Billy?
Now it is an 80.
An 80. So in like 2.5 weeks, Billy took his science grade from a 39 to an 80. Attaboy, Billy. Proud of you.
Thank you.
Check out that sky. Isn't that cool? I don't know how much the camera's picking up, but there's a lot of reds in there, blues. Red sky in the morning, sailors take warning. All right, here we go. Well, the wall is half open. Well, there's a ton of little Airsoft BBs. Some there. Oh yeah, there's a lot of them. Oh, look at this little fancy setup they got here. So they got a half wall there with a piece of wood. You got the shelving unit there. Creeper. Tires. Which I wanted the tires up in this part anyway. They were all the way down there around the corner where I had them stacked when I put the new tires on. But at least he got them up this far. There's literally tiny white, it looks like Dippin' Dots ice cream. There's white Airsoft pellets all over the place in here. But it ain't that bad. Whatever. I don't know about the break room. Oh, hell. Chairs out all over. Million Airsoft. There's white. Oh, there's green ones. One of them must have been shooting green. Oh, yeah. Well, I'll tell you one thing's for sure right now. I'm not cleaning all these up. Billy can clean them up. How's the office looking? I told him not to be in here. But there's really nothing over here. But there's some over here. This office is a mess. This place needs cleaned out bad. This whole shop needs cleaned. But anyway, there's some in here. I hit my $2,000 smoker. I'll kill them. There's a few. They might have just ricocheted off of the door or something when they were shooting, because these boys were shooting full auto out of these ARs. So, I don't know. I'm sure the upstairs is a different story. Well, they still have the door propped open to the upstairs, which it's not supposed to be. There's a plunger on the ground there. That's nice. There's a million. Oh my God. I don't know if you guys can see that. This is peppered. That'll be kind of dark. I'll turn the light on in a minute. This is peppered with BBs. Oh my God, there's a million of them. They are all over the place. Oh, somebody left a flashlight half on there. Let's turn some lights on up here. There's the fridge. Still full of White Claws and Southern Comfort. At least they didn't drink that. Oh yeah. There's little BBs all over the place. Oh, they left those doors propped open. There's a bed in there. Oh yeah, not too many BBs in here. This area is loaded with them. I'm sure this is loaded with them. These morons left these doors open. Let's close these doors back up. Looks like them boys had some fun in here. Oh, they got a little piece of wood. One of them was probably hiding behind there. Looks like they had some fun in here. Whatever. As long as they had fun. You guys probably can't even see me right now. I'm gonna go back downstairs, close this door. One of them was probably hiding in that closet when the rest of them were coming up the stairs for a little attack mode. Push that out of the way. I'll lock this door back up because there's other people that have keys to this shop that I don't want them in certain parts of the shop. All right, well, let's open up this bay door and get the truck pulled in here so we can get this oil changed. Oh boy, Billy. Okay, the oil is changed. For any of you that have been wondering, Silverado HD. Anyway, this has the 6.0. This is how dirty the inside of these things get in New York here from all the salt and crap. And I mean, my air raid cold air intake, I have to blow that thing out all the time. It's just, it doesn't really get that bad. Not that much stuff gets in it. But with all the salt and everything, it's just exposed to everything. This truck takes 530. I run full synthetic, Mobil 1. And then I run a Napa filter because Napa's filters are made by a company called Wix, W-I-X, and they're the only filters that I run. I used to use Fram for years, and you guys have been following me know my opinion on that. They're made out of recycled toilet paper. They used to be really good filters, but years ago they got bought out by the company called Honeywell, who makes the thermostats for your house, and they changed the element inside to like compressed cardboard instead of an actual filter element, and they're just junk. So Napa filters I run because they're made by Wix. But the oil is changed in this thing. I'm gonna back this sucker out of here and get on with the rest of this day. Okay, this truck is pretty easy. When I put the new tires on, we broke a couple of the sensors, so the air thing keeps going off all the time. But on this truck, you pretty much just go over. Let me see if I can try to find it again. Actually, I think it's under info, and fuel range 143 miles ago, oil life 0% remaining. You go over and hit reset. It resets it back to 100%, and you are good to go. But on the 05, you gotta turn the key forward, hit the gas pedal 3 times, on, off, on, off, on, off, and then it'll start to flash and say reset, and it'll reset it back. And that's it. 113,000 miles on this truck. It's a 2015. So I've made an executive decision that I am not cleaning up crap inside this building, because it's not just hit everything with a backpack blower and blow it out that bay door. There's a lot of areas that need swept out, and to get it all out in the middle of the shop and then blow it all out. Billy and his buddies are doing that. They made the mess, they can clean it. He has a key to the shop, so when he gets out of school, actually when he gets out of school we're going to the gym, but then after that he can have Miss Paige come and pick him up from the house, and then he can come over here and he can clean this shop, because I'm not doing it. Okay, slight change in my plans. My plan was to go home and do my billing and get that done, because it's, I don't know, the 7th or the 8th or whatever the heck it is, and I still haven't done my billing for the month yet. But I've had a couple customers call me, and the townships have left so much snow in front of mailboxes, like 3 foot out from them. They can't even get to their mail. So I have a couple of them I have to go clear out for them, but I'm not putting the blade back on that truck. So we're just gonna use Billy's truck, but I gotta clean this thing off first. All right, I got Billy's truck brushed off. There's a lot of snow around it, packed all around in front, the other side. So I'm going to unstick that truck from where it is. There's icicles going from the truck right to the ground. It's pretty frozen in there. I'm gonna unstick it, move it out of the way, plow that area up and clean it, then we'll get the heck out of here. Not good enough. The plow was stuck to the ground. I tried to lift the plow up and it wouldn't even lift the plow up. I had it in 4-wheel drive and I just hit the gas and broke the plow free that way. Whatever, right? But I also know Billy's truck needs gas. So I guess we're going to do that first. Let's go. Okay, now if I remember correctly, oh, this one's not even bad. If I remember correctly, there's a mount on the roof of this truck, so I'm gonna stick you guys up there. they're super sweet people. The lady that was out there is, it's her mom's house, and I've known them forever. But yes, and I have a couple other ones I gotta go do, so, or at least one other one I know of I gotta go do, so let's go check that one out and see how bad that is. I don't think that one's bad around the mailbox. I think the town just left a huge mess at the end of their driveway, so it's pretty bad from what I hear. So let's go check it out. We'll do the same thing here. I'll put you guys back up on the roof. This one's not that bad. They left a chunk in front of the driveway, but there's a bunch from the mailbox too we'll clean out. Okay, that takes care of that one. We got the end of their driveway all cleaned out for them, cleaned out around their mailbox so they can get to their mailbox again. I think we got one more I gotta check on, and we'll see how that goes. If I gotta clean that one, I'll bring you guys back for that part.